What up, you guys? It's your boy, man61, also known as Zachary, and today we are playing Battle Cats. So let's get this round started. Battle Cats is a really fun game. You can up-level your cats. I already did, and it makes a lot of noises, you guys. I'm sorry. And yeah, the other cat space is all the way over there. So you spawn a regular cat. Download Battle Cats, yes, it's actually really fun. But you spawn a bunch of cats and battle it with other cats. Making cats battle to other cats. And it's really awesome, you guys. So, yeah. And you guys, you can also make your cats really angry yeah, and also, when you get this bar through to 100, you're allowed to spawn your up cat. So then we spawn more cats and try to get the other cats. And that's how you do it, guys. So you guys, if you guys should download Battle Cats, it is a really fun game. You can make your cats really angry. And yeah, guys. So we're gonna play some more Battle Cats. Let's see if we win. I feel like we're gonna win this one. It's always two wins. Yep. And as you guys can see, the base is being torn down right now. And our cats are really angry right now. Right down, like all the way down. So you guys, in Battle Cats, you can move to other levels, like I just did, and it's been like 2 minutes now, you guys, and we're gonna try to make this video really cool with Battle Cats. So you guys, and also in Battle Cats, there's this thing on Battle Cats where you're allowed to spawn whatever cat you want in 60 seconds, for 60 seconds, whatever cat. But I don't know how to do that yet because I just downloaded this game. So yeah, this game is really awesome, you guys. You guys should download it. And yeah, also guys, if you can see in Battle Cats, when you upload your cats, yep, and that cannon, guys, gets all the other cats back at their base. Our cats have time to get our cat base. And as you guys can see, I'm still not in all this is because it added 200. So you guys, Battle Cats is a really fun game. We're gonna try to make it up to 5 minutes. Or at least 2. But Battle Cats is a really fun game. You get to do a lot of stuff in it. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get this done, you guys. Sorry guys, if you can hear me. Tear down the other cat space. So yeah, you guys, Battle Cats is a really fun game. It's been like 5 minutes now. So I think we're gonna end the video here. Download Battle Cats, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below what should I do next, and click the notification bell, and that way you'll never miss another video. And I will see you guys. Oh yeah, and before we go, you can also upgrade your cats. You can upgrade your cats where you can get all these other cats. So, see you guys later. Meet you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.